Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Scientific research should be carried out and controlled by governments rather than private companies. Do you agree or disagree? Huge investment is made on the scientific research wherever it is done does not matter. The doer is public sector or private one. The government spends this amount for the output, which can be beneficial for the society as it must not be commercialized. However, the purpose of the private sector is to generate revenue with the outcome, so heavy expense is made on the same. To start with the need to carry out the scientific research by the state, some areas are critical, crucial, and need huge investment with low or no return. This can be for the benefit of public, such as public health, environment protection, etc., by ensuring that the outcomes are accessible to all, rather than being restricted by patents or proprietary rights. Besides, the ethical standards are prioritized on research which is transparent and subject to public scrutiny rather being profit-driven. For instance, a lot of efforts are made on the research of genetics. Here, the government can check the result and the use of the research, which can be helpful. However, the private companies may have specialized knowledge and expertise in a specific area, which leads them towards advanced research, which is more focused. The funding may not be a hurdle to them as vast resources are available, so big businesses like Apple, Mercedes, invest heavily in research and development. This sector is more active and innovative, so encouragement to the innovation is common. Being competitive is another factor which makes the companies efficient in research process. In conclusion, I consider that the investment in research must be made by both sectors. There is need to have balanced approach which clearly shows the areas of research coming under government and private sector each. The investment is huge in the research and the public funds are limited, so the private companies can invest money for the purpose of innovation in the products they sell. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.